Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. This is PMS, subject Social Studies, grade 7, lecture number 41. Chapter number 11, Islam in Southeast Asia. Open your books. Today we will discuss page number 52, 53, and 54. Name the Southeast Asian Muslim countries: Malaysia, Indonesia, Central Asian countries. Name some non-Muslim countries of Asia where many Muslims live: India, Philippines, China. Islam in Southeast Asia was not the result of military conquest, but a steady penetration as people followed the ideas of the Muslim traders who later settled along the coast of Malaysia and Indonesia. The religious beliefs of these regions were very varied, different, but largely primitive, so that the disciplines of Islam was an ideal. However, some of the practices of the earlier religions were originally incorporated in their Islamic faith, a phenomenon common to the subcontinent to some degree. The period from 1500 to 1800 was crucial in the spread of Islam in this region. Initially, it was along the coastlines that the local population came in contact with the Arab merchants. They were impressed by their honesty and sincerity. There was a great deal of unrest in the interior of Southeast Asian islands because of the power struggle in the 16th and 17th centuries. Islam established itself in Java in 1800. Indonesia has the largest number of Muslims in the world today. What is its population? It is about 222.8 million in 2007. How Islam spread here? It was through the Sufi Turk. The Aceh kingdom in the 17th century was the golden age of Islam in Indonesia. The trends toward Orthodox Islam is because of madrasas or seminars. Malaysia. Malaysia, the next largest Muslim country in this region with a population of 25 million. How and when Islam was brought to this region? Islam was brought to this country as early as the 17th, as early as the 7th century, by Arab traders from the Hadramaut region of Arabia. Locate Hadramaut on the map of Arabian Peninsula. Philippines. In the Philippines, Islam spread to some of its islands, but the Roman Catholic Christian religion was imposed by the Spanish conquerors in the 16th century. Today, Muslims constitutes only about 5% of its population. In Central Asia and China, Islam was spread through the Great Silk Route by traders and travelers. In China, Muslims account for only 1.5% of its population, mainly in its western provinces. In India, Muslims form 13.4% of its 1.2 billion population, which means over 162 million Muslims. In Central Asia, Islam spread from the Khanate of Bukhara, seat of the Uzbek government, as it was located on a major trade route. In Central Asian states gained their independence. The Central Asian states gained their independence in 1990 after the breakup of the Union of Soviet Socialist Republic as Russia was known. They were not allowed to practice their religion freely since 1917, but now they follow their faith. Note your homework. Find out more about the Muslims in Indonesia, Malaysia, and China in present times. What are the common practices and features among them?